In this video, we will be demonstrating how to replace a three-way switch. Turn off breaker. Remove switch cover plate. Remove screws securing switch to electrical box. Remove one wire at a time from existing switch, placing in same location on new switch. The incoming and outgoing power, black wire, should go on the black screws. The other screws should have the same wire on the same side. Example: red wire should be on the same screw on both switches. White wire, same screw on both switches. Refer to diagram if needed. Reinstall switch to electrical box. Turn breaker back on. Test switch. Reinstall switch cover plate.
Thanks for watching.